In this video, I will show you how to reset your Windows 10 laptop and restore it to a like-new state. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From the Settings window, select Update and Security, then click Recovery from the left-hand menu. Under Reset this PC, click Get Started. You will now see two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. If you choose Keep My Files, Windows will keep your personal files, such as photos and documents, while removing installed apps and restoring Windows settings. If you choose Remove Everything, Windows will erase all files, apps, and settings, giving you a completely fresh installation. Next, choose how you would like to reinstall Windows. Depending on your version of Windows 10, you may see Cloud Download and Local Reinstall. For most users, Local Reinstall is the faster option because it uses files already stored on the computer. After making your selection, click Next. Windows will prepare the reset process and show you a summary of the changes that will be made. It will restore Windows settings to their defaults, reinstall the operating system, and remove installed applications. If you selected Keep My Files, your personal files will remain on the device. You can also click View Apps that will be removed to see a complete list of programs that will be uninstalled during the reset. Once you're ready, click Reset to begin. Your computer will restart several times during the process, so be sure to save any important work beforehand. After the reset is complete, Windows 10 will be restored to a clean state and should perform much like it did when you first got the laptop.